Hello children, Namaste. I'm fantastic. How about you? My name is Amita. Children, first let us revise what we already know. Okay? See, what is this? Book. This is also a book, but this is heavy and this is light. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. What is this? A ball. This is also a ball. But this is big. This is small. Big, small. What is this? A glass filled with juice. What is this? A glass with juice. But in this glass there is more juice and this glass has less juice. So more, less. More, less. What is this? A pencil. This is also a pencil, but this is long and this is short. Long, short. What are we doing here is, we are comparing. We are comparing two things. In today's class, let us learn more about comparing using these signs or symbols in our today's topic, comparison of numbers. Less than, greater than, equal to. Let us see. Children, what can you see in this picture? Yes, you're right. You can see numbers. These are numbers from 1 to 20. Now, in numbers from 1 to 20, can you tell me which is the smallest number? Yes, you're right. 1 is the smallest number in numbers from 1 to 20. And can you tell me what is the greatest number in numbers from 1 to 20? Yes, you're right. 20 is the greatest number in numbers from 1 to 20. Smallest and greatest numbers. Children, what can we see here? We can see 3 towers. And the height of each tower is different because we have used different number of blocks to build these towers. Okay children, how many blocks are there in first tower? You're right, only 1. In second tower, how many blocks have we used? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 blocks are used to build second tower. Now, in third tower, how many blocks are used, children? Yes, you are right. 5 blocks. Now, what is the smallest number here, children, among 1, 7 and 5? Right, 1 is the smallest number. And the greatest number among 1, 7, 5 is? Yes, 7. 7 is the greatest number here. Okay, children? Circle the smallest number. In these children, we have to circle the smallest number. Let us see the first one. 4, 3, 6. What is the smallest number among 4, 3 and 6? Yes, you are right. 3 is the smallest number here. Let us see the next one. 13, 8, 16. What is the smallest number here? Yes, you are right. 8. Let us see the last one, children. 11, 19, 20. What is the smallest number here? Yes, you are right. 11 is the smallest number here. Circle the greatest number. Let us now circle the greatest numbers. Let us see the first one. 4, 3, 6. What is the greatest number here? You're right. 6. Next one. 13, 8, 16. Children, what is the greatest number here in the second one? You're right. 16. Let us see the last one. 11, 19, 20. What is the greatest number here? You're right. 20. Children, once there was a crocodile. What is this? Crocodile. And it was always hungry. It always wanted to eat more and more. So its mouth was always open towards greater number. Now I will write two numbers. You tell me which is the greater number. 1, 2. 12, 2, 0, 20. Which is greater number? Right, 20. So this crocodile's mouth will be open towards 20. The shape of crocodile mouth is like this. We are using this symbol. So its mouth is always open towards greater number. Isn't it? Yes. Now, if we write this 20 here and 12 here, its mouth will be open towards this number because this is greater than 12. So, it will come like this and its mouth will be open towards greater number. We have to use this symbol. Okay? 12 is less than 20 or 20 is greater than 12. This is less than symbol and this is greater than symbol. Okay? Once there were two friends, Ram and Raj. They had few toy cars. Children, how many toy cars Ram had? Yes, you're right. Ram had 3 toy cars. How many toy cars Raj had? Can you please count and tell me, children? Yes, you're right. Raj had 5 toy cars. Children, once there was a crocodile and the crocodile was always hungry. It wanted to eat more and more. So its mouth was always open towards the greater number. Children, among 3 and 5, which is the greater number? 3 or 5? Correct. 5. 5 is greater than 3. So, if you think that this is our crocodile's mouth, can you tell me towards which number the crocodile's mouth should be open? 3 or 5? Yes, the crocodile's mouth should be open towards 5. We can say that 3 is less than 5 or 5 is greater than 3. Okay, children. Ram had 3 toy cars and Raj had 5 toy cars. As 5 is greater than 3, we have to write this as 3 is less than 5 or 5 is greater than 3. Children, this and this are called signs or symbols. This is used to compare two numbers. When we are using these signs, we mean to say that 3 is less than 5 or 5 is greater than 3. Okay, children. Now, let us see one more example. Children, what can you see here in these two plates? Yes, candies. Can you count and tell me how many orange candies are there? Yes, you're right. There are 16 orange candies. Children, can you now count and tell me how many blue candies are there in this plate? Yes, you're right. There are 12 blue candies. Children, among 16 and 12, which is greater number, 16 or 12? Right, 16 is greater than 12. So, the crocodile's mouth will be open towards greater number, that is 16. Or, if we put 12 here and 16 here, we can say that 12 is less than 16. Okay, children. There are 16 orange candies and 12 blue candies. 16 is greater than 12 or 12 is less than 16. This is greater than sign and this is less than sign. These two signs are used for comparing numbers and knowing which is greater number and which is smaller number. What can you see in these two bowls? Yes, there are balls in these bowls. How many balls are there in these bowls, children? Yes, 4 in each. There are 4 balls in this bowl and there are 4 balls in this bowl. Okay. There are equal number of balls in these bowls. 4 and 4. Both the numbers are same. Same means equal. So, to say that 4 and 4 are same, we use a sign equal to. This means 4 is equal to 4. Okay, children? Children, all this while, what we have been doing? We have been comparing numbers. All this while, we have been comparing numbers. We said that 16 is greater than 12. We also said that 12 is less than 16. Then we also said that 4 is equal to 4. That means we have been comparing numbers. And while comparing numbers, we use signs greater than, less than, or equal to. Put the correct sign. This or this or this. See here. 16, 12. Which is greater number? 16 or 12? Right. 16 is greater than 12. So, this crocodile is always hungry. It always wants to eat more and more. So, its mouth is open towards 16. This sign. Let us see one more. 2, 4. Which is greater number? Right, 4. 4 is greater than 2 or 2 is less than 4. Crocodile's mouth is open towards greater number, that is 4. So we have to put this sign. 11, 11. Both are same numbers. So we have to put this sign, which is equal to sign. Okay, children? Do the assignments, children. Okay? Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Take care, children. See you soon.